What's going on, guys? So if you missed my Instagram post, this is the current state of the trail boss. She's all torn down and looking pretty daggum aggressive, if I do say so myself. But I'm getting pretty depressed because this thing has already been down for a full week, and it's currently Saturday, so we're not getting it today or tomorrow. Hopefully first of the week we'll get our parts back and I can get this thing thrown back together, back on the road, make some content for y'all. It's gonna be like a whole new truck, dude. I'm super excited. Hopefully everything comes out good like I have planned. It's gonna look absolutely sick. But because of all of this, which we'll have a full video dedicated to it, obviously, the truck is stuck in the basement. So we're gonna be working outside, but we're gonna be working on Earl today because we've kind of got a major issue going on. So let's go out there and check it out. This isn't even the issue that I was having, but now y'all saw that. What the heck? It won't back out of here. Nothing looks what is happening? Sounds like that hub is locked up, but it like clunked hardcore. Dallas, are you croaking over? I can tell. All right. It goes forward. Got a flat on the tractor. I've never blown one of these on here. We're about to try. There she went. All right, we got this thing jacked up. This side will spin. It is fully locked up, so I guess I'll pop this thing off, we'll tear into it and see what we find. Taking my adapters off. Which one of y'all would just quit at this point? Got us a little arachnid friend with some babies chilling in here who would just set the entire truck on fire at this point. So we got all this crap torn down. This thing was an absolute nightmare to get off. I know those can be a booger sometimes, but I feel like it was like super stuck on there for some odd reason. I don't know. I don't think it was just rusted. It doesn't look bad in here, but we're spinning now, so I don't know. I'm gonna clean all this garbage up. She could go for some brakes, you know. It's not cracked up or anything like that. Getting a little low, but everything looks fine in here to my knowledge. I'm not super familiar with this, but I guess I'm just gonna clean all this garbage up and slap her back together and see if it's in a bind again or if it is in fact freed up. Still got our little guy, he's just hanging out, but yeah, I'm gonna do that and we'll see. I got no clue why that was locked up like that, but taking it apart, cleaning it out seems to fix the issue. It at least backed up out of here. Don't really know, we'll have to see how it goes, but it feels fine now. So I don't know, maybe it was super rusted up from sitting here for so long. Dallas, don't be rolling in junk. Oh my gosh. Anyways, we can actually now fix the issue that this video was supposed to fix. So let's pull it down to the basement and I'll show you all what else is going on. All right, so I gotta hold the truck up so that it'll actually come up off the ground. But when you shake these tires, there's ways to check them. So you check your ball joints up and down, right? So like that. She's solid. Now here's your problem. As you can probably see, our tie rod is shot. So I noticed the other day when I was driving it that it just was not feeling right. It just, I guess periodically it felt like it was trying to walk all over the road. And so I jacked it up only to find that the outer tie rod right here is just, she's given up all hope of survival. So we're gonna be replacing that. Let's go ahead and check out what I got. Let's unbox it real quick. All right, so here's our new parts. I don't even remember what brand they were, but they had all good reviews on them. I'll try to remember to throw a link to them in the description if you're interested in them. But we're just gonna take those out, pop it off there, pop it off up there, and then we should be able to lay it side by side with these, get these measured the exact length, and it shouldn't mess up our alignment. You can probably do this with the wheels and tires on, but in order to get that bolt easier, I'm just gonna pop these off real quick. All right, 3/4, pop these babies off. So I just got done whacking the ever-loving crap out of this thing with a normal hammer, and it finally popped loose, but now I got that junk. All right. Oh, you pain in the butt. There we go. Oh, y'all couldn't see any of that. All right, well, we got it out, finally. I gotta knock the other side out. It's not loose like this side, but it'd be dumb not to go ahead and replace the whole thing, so we're gonna replace it all. Grease inserts in here. Grease these up. We'll measure them out, so we'll lock these in. Oh, I don't want to do that. Just like this, at the same length as this one, and throw it back in there. So yeah, these are just, look at this one, is super, all of them are messed up. All right, we got our new one all dressed up, got the clamps on here, got our sleeve over it, got it about the exact same length. I might bring it out just a touch more. Got our little grease fittings put in there. Everything went together smoothly. Now we just got to throw it in there. We'll get it bolted up, and then we'll pump some grease in it. And of course, it starts pouring down rain. All the freaking windows down. Oh, sweet summertime. You are not the best sometimes. Hopefully it'll blow over and we can get back to this. Well, it finally is slowing up. We got a daggone river rolling through here. But it slacked up enough. Let's get this knocked out already. All right, we're all done. It's been a nightmare just with the rain and everything, but I gotta lift this up again because my jack is maxed. But as you can see, she's solid as a rock now. So that is all we needed right there. Thankfully, that should cure everything. We're about to drop her down and go for a spin, see how it drops. Hopefully we're able to keep everything pretty much the same, so not to mess our alignment up, we'll have to see, but that's definitely going to be a lot better. So let's drop it down, take it for a spin. All right, well, everything's doing good. We're riding out pretty smooth. There's still a little slump in the steering wheel, obviously. We didn't replace everything, but so much better than it was. It was like, you could tell something was not right. Dogs chilling. Hubert, you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, Dad, it was great.
So, look at this rig right here. It's a High Country 2500, big boy camper. Oof, unreal. So I guess this is the end of the video. All seems good. Turned into a much longer process than I was expecting it due to the earlier part of this video, but we got everything sorted. Hopefully nothing else arises from that weird braking thing. I don't know, if you have any idea about that, comment down below, let me know what you think it might be. But that's gonna be about it, guys. Hopefully you did enjoy. See you in the next one. Here's one cool thing about OBS is you can lean the front seat up and your little puppers can hang out the window, out the front window with you, and be safe. They ain't gonna jump out of there or anything, so yeah.